Whoa, where are they taking Steve? What's she doing? Okay. Where's Steve going? What? I don't even... Okay. What?
I'm jumping. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna do it. No, don't do it.
No, this can't be happening.
Hey, guys, what the where's hell? Steve going? Hey, put me down. Put me down. I don't like stop it. Where are they taking Steve? Put me down. Quit swinging me through the... Huh? Oh my God! No, he just killed Steve! No, not me! No, I'm too young to die! That's it! I'm out of here! I'm jumping! I'm jumping! No, don't do it! No, don't jump! Don't jump! Oh no! Make her stop! She's a killing machine! Hey, what is that? Hey, Peter!
Hey, lady, I think you should be careful. Oh, she's stabbing me! No! Please! Ow! Oh! Oh! No! Please stop! Ow! Stop! Please! Oh! No! 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 It's on the bottom of me! No! Ow! No! Make it stop! Ow! No, not my eye!
What was that? Probably shouldn't ask me because I don't know what's going on.
Wow.
Hey, whoa, what the heck's going on here? Finally some room to move. Hey, where's she taking Jim?
Would you two shut up?
Yeah. Whoa, hey, put me down. What? Ow, 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 ow! 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 Do you have any idea where I'm going? Because I don't know what's going on. Put me down. I don't like. Where are they taking Steve? Don't know where I'm going. Not again. Oh no, what's going on? Not again. It's bubbly. Hey, whoa, where's Steve going? Hey, what are you doing? Ow, ow, my eye. Ow, stop it. Hey, Steve, pink's a great color on you there, buddy. Shut up, Larry. Hey there, big guy. Where's he taking Steve? Hey, where are you taking me? Where are you going? No, not me! No, not me! No, please, no! Why? Oh, it hurts. Put me down. What the? Hey, where are they taking Steve? Dude, where's Steve going? Put me down. Dad, where are you taking Carl? Ow, my butt hurts. What? What'd you say? Oh, I said my butt hurts.
Hey, see you guys around!
Later, Barry.
Not sure where they're taking you, but it's gotta be better than this crowded box that reeks of maple!
Yeah, that's probably...
Holy baker's dozen!
We're back in the box! Oh, we're back in the box!
What do you have to say about maple bars now, Oh, listen, I'm sorry. You mind rubbing a little of your maple icing on me, you know, as a favor?
Frank?
I just can't believe some people... I'm okay. I'm just... Help me!
Oh, my face! My face!